This video clip will show you what resources are available to teachers on the Pearson English portal. In order to access the resources area, log into the Pearson English portal and select Resources. You will immediately see what resources are available. Let's look at them one by one. The first folder contains class audio. This is all the audio files from the class CDs, plus the audio script. The second folder contains all the video files, organised unit by unit. Both the audio recordings and the video clips can also be accessed from the presentation tool as you are presenting lessons to students. In the first 3 levels of the course, the next folder contains all the picture cards, grouped unit by unit. The next folder contains all the tests for the course, as well as the audio files, audio scripts, answer key, and teaching notes accompanying the tests. For each level, the tests include a diagnostic test, unit tests, review tests, and a final test. You also have sample papers for international exams in the same folder. The next 3 folders contain resources for the workbook, speaking and vocabulary book, and grammar book. In each case, these include audio files, audio scripts, and answer keys. The folders for speaking and vocabulary books and grammar books also contain teaching notes. The course Pedagogy folder contains the Introduction to the Teacher's Book. The Games folder contains interactive vocabulary games. There are 5 games per unit. You can play these with the whole class, or if your class has student books with online practice, they can also access the games at home in their own time. Checkpoint activities are interactive activities you can assign for homework if your students have student books with online practice. When students complete them at home, activities are automatically graded by the system, and you can see the results in the gradebook. You can learn more about checkpoint activities from other video clips in the series. Finally, in the last folder, you can see the resources that are available to students if they are using student books with online practice, vocabulary games, workbook audio, and course video. If you are using the MiPro version of the course, you will also have additional material available to you and to your students on My English Lab. In this case, the checkpoint activities will be part of MEL, together with interactive tests, extra listening, and reading tasks. You will also have stretch and remediation activities for all of these, so your students can do activities at their level. We have now discussed the teacher's resources for Now I Know. To learn about the remaining digital components, please watch other video clips in the series.